Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about TCS salary hike 2020-25. So who will get increment, from when hike will be given, and these are the bands which are not going to get as of now hike. Later on they will be getting it. Okay, so who will get the increment? Up to C3A band employees will get the hike. From when hike will be given? So it is effective from 1st September 2020-25. It is going to effective from 1st of September. Okay, so as of now the TCS is giving to total 80% of TCS workforce. So increment they are giving basically C3A band. So 80% of employees they are going to get it. Okay, so the senior persons who are above C3A band, they will be getting later on. That is the up to the TCS management, they will be deciding when they will be giving to them. Okay, so as of now this is the update from TCS. And one more thing is that 12,000 employees are getting fired. So this is big news. Obviously TCS has never ever fired these kind of employees, just like 12,000. This is big number actually. Yeah, obviously they have done removed few peoples in background, if you'll see 2008 and all things, but that was very few limited resources only they have released. But 12,000 employees is a huge number, so this is concerning. Let's see what happened in the future. Okay, so this is the total information from TCS, and as of now if any further information, any news, then I'll make sure to make a video on that also. So thank you for watching this video.